Introducing Cappy AI, a chatbot for neurodivergent individuals. Meet Cindy. Cindy has autism and has never been out on her own before, and now is starting college for the first time. Although she wants to make friends and is excited about college, she's anxious and scared because the last time she tried to make friends of her own, she was called weird and was made fun of for how different she was. Cindy is not alone. In fact, according to the CDC, 1 in 36 children are diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder, and 94% of autistic individuals mask their symptoms to fit in with society, thus never getting to be themselves. This isn't a problem only unique to autism, however. In fact, 20% of the population is neurodiverse, which means they see the world differently, representing a $50 billion market size. This is why we developed Cappy, a software solution leveraging generative AI to improve the ability for individuals with autism to socialize and become comfortable interacting with the world around them. The platform uses a chatbot to create personalized profiles for neurodiverse individuals that enable them to better understand and connect with the world around them. The value we're providing, well, Cappy is completely tailored for autism. We're employing research-based response techniques like shortened sentences, real names, personalized interests, understanding of their hobbies, routines, and other biometric data integration. And as far as the business model, we're going to start with a freemium model in which we go and target colleges and autistic communities, and then later expand to B2B once we develop this data mode and support with enhancing communication of neurodiverse individuals. Now to tell you more about the actual demo, hit.
Alright, to start things off, we're going to remember who is Cindy. So let's visit what Cindy's profile looks like. Here is Cindy. Cindy's 18 to 25, career is an undergraduate student. And you can see over here that our profile actually collects things from our conversation and they add it to this user profile. So throughout conversation, they've figured out that Cindy likes Toy Story, painting, has specific triggers to avoid in conversation, and Cindy can even personalize, how much of an introvert, how busy, messy, independent that they are. So let's jump into the chat feature. For today's demo, we're going to imagine that I'm Cindy and I'm going through a new student orientation, and I'm very overwhelmed. To start things off, I'm feeling kind of sad, I'm feeling overwhelmed. And this bot says, hello Cindy, I've noticed that you're feeling sad. Would you like to talk more about how you're feeling? So as Cindy, I'm going to type a message and it says, yes, I'm at orientation, there's so many people I don't know what to do. And a big part of our specific bot is that we are here to empathize with the user, and specifically for the neurodivergent community, we need to provide a lot of empathy and give them the control over if they want to hear strategies or not. So good job showing up to attend. Some of the best paintings are created when you happen to push yourself. So this relates it back to the user profile that's built and is collected through conversation. So we can see that, they make a painting reference, and maybe Cindy, as someone who is neurotypical or neurodivergent, likes to have that resemblance and that interest. So would you like to hear some strategies on what to do in this situation? Cindy says yes. And let's take a look at what sort of strategies that they can provide. Find an information booth or ask someone for help. So according to this recommendation, Cindy will do whatever. So as Cindy, I'm going to decide to go to find an information booth. And finally, feeding back to that user, to the platform to show whether or not this conversation is helpful for future interactions with the bot. And finally, so we already mentioned, here's what the profile will look like. Here is what the save chats preference is. We are Cappy, we're super excited, and we're really excited to hopefully revolutionize, use this tool for the neurodivergent community. If you have any questions, feel free to open that up later.
We also have a live working